All right, I think we can start. Mm. So last time, if you remember, day before yesterday, we have seen few basic commands, right? Like ls something, list files and everything, cd, as well as to create directories as well. Cat one thing to create a file, touch, and what else? Touch we have seen. Mm, mkdir, rm. These are all basic commands. I mean, to create a directory or a file, or to delete a directory or a file like that. We'll see. We'll extend that today. So what we have seen last time, to create a file, touch. Okay, this is fine. Touch one two three. We just creating an empty file. To create a file is some data on it. Cat something greater than symbol test one two three. Write something. Control D. Sorry. What is this? So yeah. So we can see all these things. Right? Came back. Let me just. So we have seen all these things. I mean, to create and everything. Now imagine, let's say, I have my test file, correct? So I have created a test file with a hi hello. Now I want to edit that, edit a file. How to do that? So we'll see that today. Okay, we have seen creating a file. Now we have to look into like how to edit the file, right? How to edit the file. I mean, what command to use. Obviously, this hi hello is there. I don't want to, I want to change the content, or I want to change something, whatever it is inside, whatever the content inside the file, I want to change it. So, how to do that? Got it? So, that uh, we'll see today. We'll start with that today. So, there is something called editor in Linux. I mean, in Windows, how you do it? You just open the file, I mean, you double click on the file, it'll open to you. You write something, I mean, you delete something, you write something, and then you control C, else, I mean, control S, you save it and close the file. That's completely fine. Obviously, in Windows, it's easy, but in Linux, it'll be more easy, I would say. There's something called VI editor. VI, sorry, VI. The full form is like a visual display editor, we call it actually, or sometimes we call it Vim editor, VM editor. Vim means like a visual display editor, improved, something like that. That's both are fine. I mean, both are same. VA editor is fine. So we'll use this command to edit the files. So first, what we do is, in order to edit the file, we'll be opening the file, right? Then we'll edit it. So we'll be opening the file first thing with this VA command, VA test 123. So the file is open, correct? This is what the data is, including the blank space. Now we'll edit it. Let's see. I'm typing something, but it's not displaying at all. What's happening here is, this VA editor have modes like, how to say, in general language. If you ask me, like any game, if you take it, like, starting from different modes will be there, like, it depends on how difficult the game is, or how Yeah, you can say like that. Yeah, how difficult the game is, easy mode, fast mode, or medium, like that. Similarly, here also we have modes. First mode is command mode. Command mode. So let me write it maybe. VA has modes. First mode is command mode. It means you can pass any commands in this file. Okay, what type of commands? Let's say you want to delete an entire line. How to do it generally? Or you want to go to specific line, maybe line 100, or you want to delete 5 lines, or you want to go to the end of the file. Any These are shortcuts, right? I mean, to go to file. Or you want to search something in a file. How do you do in Windows? Maybe in Control F, and it will give some value. It will look into it in the file. Same thing here also. You want to search something in a file, or you want to copy some lines. There are some shortcuts it gave to you. So all those shortcuts will be applied in command mode. Let's start with the easy one. Let's say maybe we won't discuss all of those. First, at least the basic ones. I want to search something. Maybe I want to search something called ABC. Something. Let's say I'll just simply type slash ABC and enter. Obviously, pattern not found. If you see here, it means whatever you're trying to search, it's not there. Let's search hello slash hello. See, it says here it is. Okay, maybe let me write some more, some random kind, whatever it is, that's fine. Now I wrote hello slash hello. See, let's say I'm here. The cursor, you can observe the cursor here. It is taking the cursor to wherever the hello is present. And if it is multiple times, just click on N. See, observe the cursor now. What's happening is you search for a word hello, and in N, if you click on N means next, obviously. So it will take you the next place wherever that word is, whatever you searched. Got it what I'm saying? It's hello, blah blah something. 3 times hello is there. Let's type hello. So it went to top. Observe the cursor here, it went top. I just click on N. It went to the second hello. Just click on next N again. Third one and fourth one. See? First, what you are doing is you are searching for the word, similar to Control F in Windows. In Linux, we have slash and the word. I mean, whatever you want to search. So it will take you to that. If it is multiple times, just click N. It will show you wherever the places it is there. So you'll figure it out. Search for any other word, like slash test. Let's say it take you to the test. Observe the cursor. Type N. It's not going anywhere because test is just once in the file. That's why N means next. Wherever the string whatever I've searched, it will take you to that. Test is just one time. Maybe try one more, else maybe DTY something. If you want to search slash the word, that's it. See, it take you to DTY. Just type N. It's just one time it was there. So that's how you search it. So another shortcut, let's say I want to see how many lines are there. As of now, I can't see it, right? I had to manually, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that. If you have 1,000 lines, you can't do that. How to set the line numbers in a file? Simple. Colon. SE space NU. See, 18 lines it seems. So you can simply keep the lines like that. Or you want to remove it, colon SC space NU. Sorry, NU. Oh, sorry, my bad. SC space NU. Lines got removed. You want to set lines, colon SE space NU. What does it mean? SC space NU means set numbers. SC space NU means set no numbers. So it will remove the numbers obviously. Like this, there are multiple shortcuts. Let's say I want to maybe what's the most common one? I want to go to line number 16 as an example. Colon 16. See the cursor, it went there. See, I want to go to line number 4. Colon 4. See the cursor went there. See here. You got it? Like that, you can go to any line number. In Windows, you can do this. Just try it. Just open Notepad, open the line numbers, set the line numbers. Obviously, you don't need to set the line numbers; it will show. But you cannot set like this, or go to specific line. You cannot go like that, which is not possible. What a Linux? Simply colon whatever the line number, maybe 12. You went to 12. Set the line numbers SC space NU. I mean colon SC space NU. Colon. Remember that again. So this colon. Mm, I want to delete line. How to do it? Just go to line wherever you want to delete. Maybe line 9, 10 I want to delete. Go to line 9. Just type DD. Gone. See? DD. Double D. No, not just one D. DD. So I want to delete line 9. Just go to line 9. DD. See, gone. As simple as that. Sorry. Maybe let's say I want to delete 2 lines at a time. Earlier I tried. I just tried deleting line by line. Line 9 I deleted separately, line 10 I deleted separately. I want to delete 2 lines at the same time now. How to do it? 2 lines, right? 2 DD. Gone. 2 are gone. Maybe let's try now. Line 6, 7 I want to delete. I just went to 6. 2 DD. See, they're gone, right? I want to delete 10 lines. So let's say you want to delete 10 lines. Go to the start of the line. So let's say I want to delete these 6 to 12. 6 lines I want to delete. So wherever you want to start, go to that line, the first line, from where you want to delete, go to that line. 6 line, right? 6 DD. Gone, done. See, as simple as that. Oh, I accidentally deleted those lines. I want to get it back. Just simply type U. U means undo. U means undo. It just came back. As simple as that. Just type one more time U. See, whatever it's deleted is giving back to you. This is the last change. This is the first change, that's all. Command Z. So this is the first change we got it before we opened the file to edit. Obviously write something, whatever it is, it's fine. It's completely fine. You got it right. What I'm trying to show is like there are few shortcuts, not just what I've shown. There are lots, multiple shortcuts more than this, but these are few of the shortcuts which we'll use daily. Someone came to you, or maybe let's say your manager came to you like, hey, edit that file, remove those lines from this file. How do you remove that? Just open the file with VA. Let me just open the file with VA. Maybe he told remove line 3, 4. Just go to line 3, DD, gone. You want to delete at a time, 2 DD. No space, just 2dd. It won't display anywhere to you whatever you typed, but it will delete. It will take the input. So all these shortcuts, I mean, yeah, short. You can call it shortcuts, or you can call it commands. We can pass to the editor in command mode. You remember what I told earlier, right? I mean, at the start, we are in a command mode. We can pass something to the file. I mean, any kind of commands like shortcuts, whatever we have tried so far. Okay, this that is a command mode. Now, what is other mode? There is something called insert mode. Insert mode. Insert means this is the content I have in this file. I want to write something. Maybe I want to add some new configuration or new content. How to write it? Just try writing it. It won't work. How to write it? How to write it means you have to change the mode in the file and write it. In the command mode, you just use the shortcuts. Go through file, delete something or update something, whatever it is. But you cannot write the data. How to write the data is by going to insert mode. How to go to insert mode? Just simply type I. No, sorry. Type I. See, once you type I, it showed you insert. Now write something. See, is it coming? See, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Does not matter really. I can write anything in the insert mode. If you want to write something in a file using VI, you have to go to insert mode. First thing is the command mode, where you can use shortcuts. Next thing is insert mode, where you can sorry, what is it? Write something in a file, anything. Now, okay, my writing is done. I want what's next? I want to save it, right? Obviously. Now you can delete it like this, backspace. It'll work. This will work. But how many lines will you delete like that? Not a good, right? Not a good approach. That's why you will delete like a DD with a DD. I mean, I want to delete 5 lines, 5 DD, 6 lines, 6 DD like that. But try now 6 DD. It won't work because you are in insert mode. When you are insert mode, it won't take any command, it won't take any argument, it won't take any shortcuts. Whatever you give, it will write it. Let's say I want to search some file. Obviously, what I told slash the file, sorry, the string name, the word slash test. See, it won't work. In insert mode, whatever the commands and all, nothing will work. So insert mode is used to write something in a file, obviously. Now I want to save it, obviously. What That's the next thing. Or I want to search something in the file. I mean, obviously, I want to go back and search something in the file. How to do it? I am on insert mode now because I can write anything in insert mode only. Now I want to save the file. I want to just close it or something like that. Simply, what you do is just type escape. See, insert mode is gone. See, insert is gone here. It means now you're back to command mode. You're back to command. Now search it. Slash. See, observe below. Slash test. Now it's coming. The search and all. Or maybe DD. Gone. See, these commands work in command mode. But when you want to write something, just click I and write something. Now your writing is done. Just click escape. See, as simple as that. Like that. So first thing is command mode. Even give some commands like a search or whatever it is. Delete something, search something, set line numbers, blah blah blah, all these things. You want to write something to that file, click I, so that it will take you to the insert mode. You can write something, obviously, and once your writing is finished, let's say I'm done. I don't want to write anything anymore new. I'll just click escape. It will take back to you command mode. Once you write something and you click escape, it will take back to command mode. We call it extended command mode, insert mode, and extended command mode. Of course, command mode and extended command mode are same, but why we call it extended command mode is we have wrote something and we came back out of it. That's why we call it extended command mode, nothing really. So once you came back from extended command mode, you tried dd, all those will works. Colon sc space nu, says line numbers are set, whatever it is. So now what is the ultimate goal here? I want to save the file. Your manager came to, your lead came to, sorry. He told, hey, open the, just edit. He won't say to you, like, he won't give you instructions. Hey, open the file, go to insert mode, write the data, and save the file. Do like this. He won't just. No one does like this. They'll just say, update the configuration or update the data, remove the data, something like that. That's it. Remove the data from this file or update the configuration from this file. That's it. That's the only thing they'll say. What do you have to do? What configuration you have to figure it out? So what file you have to figure it out? You have to open the file like this in VA editor if it is that's the case. Go to insert mode like this. Click I. It will go to insert mode. Forget about this recording. What is this? Forget about these things. This won't show in Linux normally. This Mac, so it's some different. But yeah, insert mode will show everywhere. Insert hyphen insert hyphen like that. So write something. Your configuration is done. Just click escape. You're ready now. Your changes are ready. Now I want to save it, right? How to save it? Just type :W. See, it's saved now. It's saved. Now I want to, obviously I saved the file, I want to close it. :Q. I closed. Q means quit. So I just type :Q, it just quit. So open with cat. Whatever we wrote, it's present. Now open again. VI test 1 2 3. Line numbers, I'll set line numbers in command mode. I go to insert mode. See, the line numbers exist because you just gave it. You write something. Escape. My rating is finished. Let's say maybe. Yeah, my rating is finished, so it's just escape. :W. W to save. :W to save. Q to quit. Let's try. If I click W, it will save obviously. Correct? And if I quit, closed it. Cat, open the file. Yes, obviously it's see. The new things, new data, whatever we had, it's saved. Now let's open again. Now I'll write something. Now escape. I forgot to save it. I just simply is :Q. Enter. See what it's saying. You haven't saved it. If you want to quit the file without saving, just use :Q or :Q exclamator. Exclamator means forcefully you just doing it. Observe here. After yield we have so many things, but I haven't saved it. Gone. Now open with cat. See, there is nothing because I haven't saved it. Open it. So if you want to store something in a file with VA, you have to save it. That's why :W is important. W means save. Now you have opened the file, obviously you changed everything. Now you want to close the file, obviously, save it and close it. So what generally we do is, we don't just click W first and we don't just do Q later. Simply what we do is we will combine both things: :WQ. Save and exit. Save and exit. That's what we do. That's what everyone does, sorry. So now you return the data, whatever the content inside the file using VA. You just click escape, so it will get back to you in command mode. Okay, now my content is ready. I want to save and exit, close this file again. Obviously, I want to close this file as well and save it. Escape. Escape means you'll get back to command mode. :WQ. Enter. Like that. Just try cat. See, After yield, we have written these two like that. WQ, remember it. Sometimes people use, sorry, sometimes people use colon WQ exclamatory to close the file forcefully. That's it. Cat open it file. Obviously, see your new data is there. Sorry. See, as simple as that. Got it? So when you open some editor, first thing will be command mode. Command mode is why we call it command mode is we can pass some commands, we can pass some arguments within the file, so that to search something, delete something. I mean, I just told few things. I'll share the document. You can just practice few more things or just Google it. VA editor. It will show you the shortcuts because I'm telling you, every day, every day you'll use this. Every day you'll use this. If you're working, every day I'm telling you. So VAE is important. So you can't just skip it or learn some important commands like that. Every day you'll use this VA editor because obviously every day you'll edit the files. This is the way to edit the files in Linux server, within the Linux server, I'm telling you. So VAE is important. I mean, this is the only way. I mean, there is one more editor also similar to VAE. There is something called Nano, NANO. But I know it's not really good at all. It's completely time waste. So that's why I won't discuss that. But yeah, VAE is the editor which we'll be using every day. Even me also, every day I'll use it past 7 years or something like that. But yeah, you'll figure it out eventually. It's fine. So you open the file with the VA editor, VA space the file name, just one file name. You can't give two file names. You can't edit the two files at a time, right? I mean, it's a command mode. I mean, CLI, we call it a CLI, command line interface. GUI, we don't have GUI. That's why, of course, you can edit multiple files in GUI, like in Windows. How you edit it? You just open multiple notepads. Even though if you open multiple notepads, you have to write one at a time. You can write multiple, right? Obviously, you can write. Can you write? I mean, you open multiple notepads. Can you write all those notepads at the same time? You can't. So you have to go one by one. Same thing here. You can't give like this. Test 1 2 3 or some other file 1 2 3 something. You can't give like this. You just can open one file at a time. Write something. How to write it? As of now, I'm in command mode. I want to write something, so go to insert mode. So click I. Just click I. That's it. Blah blah blah. Or whatever I want to write. I'm just writing some random content. But yeah, it's whatever you want to just write it. Now I want to save it. Escape. Go back to command mode. We call it extended command mode because once you write it and once you go back, we call it extended command mode. But it's basically a command mode only, but we just call it like that. And I want to save it. Colon WQ exclamatory. Save it. Close the file forcefully. If I remove exclamatory, save it and close the file. If I remove Q, just save it. If I add just Q, just quit it without saving because I haven't given W. WQ exclamatory is the most common thing we generally use to save the file. To save the file, quit the file forcefully. Let's enter see like that. That's what we do. Got it? Sorry. So that's about the VA. Any doubts so far? Anything? Let me write something. Hello is there. Maybe I'll write multiple hello. Just I'm simply writing it. I'll tell you why I wrote those things. So my editor is ready. Editor, it's fine. I know it now how to edit and all. So we'll go to next command. What is next command is, before going to next command, let's have why we need to use that. So now I have the file. I have the file or files. Let's say this file. So I got a task like, hey, in this file, check whether there is any string or not. Like string means some word is there or not. So to keep it simple, I got a task like, check if there is a word called hello in this file or not. He told you, I mean, your manager or lead told you, like, just check for that word hello in this file, whether the hello is present, hello word is present in this file or not. How we do so far? I mean, as for our knowledge, I'll open the file, or I'll simply open the file with cat. I'll manually go through the file. Okay, hello is there, hello is there. Three, yeah, I think three, four times hello is there. I think yeah, five times hello is there. So you'll go through like this, or you'll simply open the with VA editor slash hello. You'll type. It'll just sorry slash hello. It'll take you to hello. Just click next. It'll take you wherever the hello is there. But still, this is also not a good approach. I mean, what if the word whatever you're searching is like present 1,000 times? Let's say a common word like a or is or at. So I'm just saying an example. No one searches for it and all, but what if there is a common word like that? How to search it? That's where there is a command called grep. Grep. Grep full form is global regular expression print. So what it's used for is to search for a string. String we call it in programming terminology. Nothing but a word. It will be useful to search for a word within the files, and it will show you wherever it is present within the file or within a folder. What do you mean within a folder? Like within a folder, there will be multiple files, right? It will search for all those files to print you that word wherever it's present. So my requirement is, I want to print hello wherever it is present in this test123 file. Simply type grep space what you want to search. In the double quotes you have to give, I want to search hello. Sorry, in which file? Test123. See, it showed you. As simple as that, right? You can pass like -i. What does it mean? -i is case case insensitive, capital letter, small letter. So the grep will take this hello only. It's a small letter, right? It will show only small letters, it won't show capital letters. If there is a word called hello with capital letters, it won't show you, but with I it will show capital and small both. Let's try it. As of now, I think in this file there is no capital letter. Hello. Yes, sorry, I wrote it. Save it. Grep -i. See, it showed even capital letters. Now remove the I. Now no capital letters. It will exactly match this string. I mean the word. Just call it string. I mean it will exactly match the string whatever you give, and it will print you wherever it's present. I mean wherever. But this may be a case sometimes. Sometimes the letter will be the word will be in small letters or capital letters like that. You just want to print the word, no matter whether it depends on small or capital letters. Just pass I. I means what do we call it? Case insensitive. Now you can simply pass n. Let's try -n. What it's showing? It's showing the line numbers to you. It is showing the line numbers. In line 3 hello is there, line 10, 30, 35, 39 hello is there. You can pass multiple arguments like this. IN. IN means case insensitive and N means line numbers. N means obviously. So it is showing all wherever hello is present, including capital and all, because we passed I, and it's showing the line numbers also because we passed the N. See, cool, right? Now we can pass simply INC. What happens now? Just printed 7. We count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It just print you the count how many times hello is present instead of words. C means count. Just print you how many are that. Got it? So like that you can able to search for a string within the file. Let's say, just imagine now, I have 10 files in this folder and I want to look in all the files for that hello, for that string. What do it? You search it recursively. Grep hyphen r ri. Obviously I pass the I because case insensitive. You can pass I. Hello. What is the folder? Current folder, I mean wherever I am present, I want to look into that, so dot is fine, or you can give the full folder name, that's also fine. See, now what happens, what we told is look in my current folder for this hello. Current folder means where no matter how many files are there, look in all of them. So it is search and it is now showing me in this file it's present, file name, the string. Now pass what is it, N, right? See, in this file line number 1 hello is there, in this file line number 2 hello is there, like that. Got it? Now if you see hello P is there, this is not hello, it is hello P, and the word is hello. It is something like that, WTA something it is showing. You know what it is showing so far? It is showing to you the lines, not the hello word also, not just the hello word, hello the word. It is showing the whole line. That's why this WT something blah 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 is there, because line number 3, right? Open the file. See, line number 3, it is showing the whole line to you. You search for grep the hello word, it is showing you the whole line wherever it's present. No, I don't want to see the whole line. I just want to see the word hello. How to do it? Then at the time simply just pass W. Sorry, wait. It will just show you that. Whatever it is, it will just show you. Sorry, I missed. I obviously case insensitive. See? Hello P is gone. See where it is. It's gone. See, because hello P is a word. What we are searching for is only hello. If you pass W, it will give you exact match. See, you're looking for hello. Hello P is not a word, right? Hello yes, hello D something, it's not a word. It's a different word, not hello. So that's why it skipped. That one is skipped. Look into it now. Got it? That's how you use grep. So you use grep to search something within the files. Within the files. I want to search something in a file, use grep. Again, a most commonly used command. So every day. Sorry. So that's about grep. I mean, there are a few more shortcuts. Try it out. We can't discuss every shortcut, so it will be too much time. But yeah, this is about grep. Any doubts, any questions so far? Anything? Yeah, okay. So then, if no doubts, we'll go to another command called find Just yeah, sorry. Yeah. So now we have seen so far VA editor and to edit the files and all. Grep to search some strings in file. Next we'll see something called find. Find. Obviously you know what is find. To find something. What to find? To find the files or directories. Someone came to you, he told you, hey, logged into the server, Linux server, check whether this file exists or not. He gave you the file name. You know, let's say the file name is test.conf. Test.conf. He told you just check whether this file exists or not in that machine, in that Linux server. How do you check? Where do you start? You go like a folder by folder, cd go to slash, check it, cd go to slash tmp, check it, cd slash etc slash opt, you gonna check it like that. It'll take you forever. How do you check the how do you check whether it's the file exists or not? That's where this find command comes. Find, how the command, sorry, how the command looks like is find. Next thing will be the path. First thing will be like where you want to search. I want to search in the whole Linux system means generally give slash. As I told you, slash is the root directory in Linux server. So everything will be inside the slash only. So if you want to search for some file or for some folder, you have to give slash. It will look into the complete Linux server. Obviously, will take some time. Or let's say you know the path where you want to search. You know the path where you want to search. Maybe let's say slash test slash abc, or the current path wherever you are present currently, pwd test wherever present, or users something. So now I want to test, sorry, check for the file or directory in this folder. Simply find dot, I'll give simply in the current folder, or I'll just copy paste it. Sorry, I'll just copy paste. In this path I want to check, and I have to pass the name, hyphen name. In the quotes, give the file name test 1 2 3. See, it gave to you. Or simply type 1 2 3. See, it gave to you because these files are present. Now give something which is not present, maybe one, no output, because this file does not exist. You're trying to look for the file which does not exist. Obviously, it will show you like this. Got it, right? That's how you search for the file. Find the path where you want to search, and the name, the file name. Obviously, you have to give like that. Let's say you can give I name. What is I? You already seen earlier. Case insensitive. So you can pass hyphen I name. Mostly we pass it hyphen I name. I just use like that. So because capital file name, like let's say test 1 2 3. Test is small, right? 1 2 3. Forget it. Test is small. Maybe there is one more file, test 1 2 3 with capital. If you without hyphen I, you just search like this, it will just give you test 1 2 3, not capital test 1 2 3, like that. Or you can add anything like this, not just some file names. Maybe you want to look for the files which has specific extension. Extension means the file will have extension, right? .txt, .log, so mp3, mp4. What are all those things? Those are extensions. It means it represents the file format. .mp3 means it's an audio file. .mp4 or mkb, something like that, they are video files, right? So it represents the file format. But in Linux there is no file format. Have you observed so far? If you just create a file in Linux, it will add the extension .txt, but not in, have you ever tried? I created a file called 1 2 3 test 1 2 3, but there is no .txt. Have you observed that? Because in Linux there are no extensions. You can create your own extension. Let's say I'll create a file touch test.txt. You just give extension, it will create it for you. See, like that. Maybe touch test.mp3. See, as simple as that. Because Linux does not follow these extensions. Just create whatever the file you want. Maybe mp4. Touch test.mp4. See, but can you create the same thing in Windows? No, you can't do that. Just try it. Whenever free, create a .mp3 file. It won't work. It will say, hey, because this that Windows operating system expects you to have something inside mp3. If you're saving the file as an mp3, it means the audio should exist, or mp4 means the video should exist. But Linux is not like that. Just do whatever you want. Just create .mp4. It does not really care about it. You created it. That's it. I don't care whether the data exists or not. That's how. That's how it is. There are no extensions in Linux server. That's it. But now let's come back to find. So now I want to print. So what is coming? I just printed file names. It's fine. Now I got requirement that print all the files with extension .txt. Let's say I have 100 files of .txt. I want to see how many files are there. So what you do? Star.txt. Let's create one more file. See, what we are doing is we are filtering out by .txt whatever is present in front of it. So if the file has .txt, print it. If the file has .mp4, let's write .mp4, print it. Like that way. You got it? So this is the common use case. We just use it. Got it? That's about searching the file. Simple as that. Let's create a folder. Sorry. Now, so far we search the files. Find /-iname, all those things for the files. Now, how to search a folder? Let's try find. In my current path, I want to search it. Dot, obviously. -type. Sorry. -type. D. D means directory. -iname. Obviously. New. Obviously, there is a new folder. New _dir. See. -type D means you are looking for a directory. You are looking for a folder. Just remove that D, -type D. Let's see. It shown you that also. Without that also it look fine. So -type D means you are looking for a folder specifically. You're just telling the server. Sorry. Without that also it look fine, completely fine. But it's better to pass this argument so that you will know that what you're looking for, or anyone who is looking at your screen what you're doing, so will know that you're looking for a folder. Just for understandable purpose, just pass the -D. Whether you can pass multiple commands. Folder, that's the only command for folder, obviously. Or you can pass like a folder name. Maybe there are folders like .txt. Obviously, there won't be any folders like .txt. .txt means a file. If any folders with specific extensions, I don't believe there will be folders with extensions. If there is any with extension, just star dot whatever it is, the extension, you can just do that. So it's as simple as that. Looking for a file, looking for a folder. If you just give /, you know what it does? It will look for the whole server. Let's try. Let's give some random. Obviously it does not exist. Let's see. See, it is going to every path. I don't have access to go to some path, some library, something in my laptop. So that's why it's showing permission denied, operation not permitted. Why these are coming? We'll see maybe in tomorrow's class, maybe, or day after tomorrow. See, it is going to each and every path in the server. It is going. It will take too much time, obviously. I don't want to waste that. But yeah, if you look for something, it will go to each and every path because you gave slash. Slash means in slash every. I mean that's the root directory, right? Everything will be present inside the slash. It means each and every folder inside that it will go through and look for that whatever you're trying to search with find. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Automatically it will print one time because in this path it's present. It will print it somewhere in the output. But yeah, don't do that. Try to know the path where it's present. There are some more shortcuts in the file. I want to print the files where the size is larger than something. I want to print the files, maybe size is more than 10 MB or 100 MB, 1 GB, like that. How to do it? Simple. Find dot hyphen type f. F means obviously file, you know it. D means directory. F means file. You don't need to pass all those things, but just pass it. I mean, it's better to pass it than nothing. Now, what I'm looking for, I want to looking for files which size is more than 10 MB, right? Hyphen size plus 10 m, more than 10 MB, more than 10 MB. That's why I give the plus. If it is exactly 10 MB, just remove it. Obviously, you don't know. 10 MB means how much? 1024, sorry, 1 GB. That's sorry. 10 MB is 10,000 KB, maybe. I don't know. So no file will be exactly 10 MB. There will be 1 or 2 KB more or less. That's how we give plus. So more than 10 MB, like that. It will print it. Your manager asks you, hey, I want, just give me the list of files which are more than 100 MB or 1 GB. Obviously, that's casual. I mean, normal requirement. You will see regularly. So use this command. Size. Now I want to file files which are modified in the last one day. Hyphen m time 1. What's happening here is it will show you what files you have modified in the last one day. Obviously nothing. Last one day means not today. Last one day maybe, sorry, Thursday. Obviously nothing is modified. 0 means today, obviously. One day means before the yesterday, I mean. So today we have modified all these files. I mean, we have created all these files, modified all these things. That's why it's showing all these files. Just type 2. It means 2 days before what files I have modified. Nothing really. I mean, Wednesday it was obviously. Like that. Based on modified days also, you can look like this. Got it? That's about the find. Got it, right? Any doubts in the find? There'll be few more shortcuts, obviously. Just try it. Try it out. Any doubts so far? Before going to the next, these are very small commands. I mean, so it will be there. Not one. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, with VI, yes. Sorry. I think we already covered that. Edit file name means rename the file. Correct? Am I correct? I mean, am I understanding correctly? MV. MV old name, maybe test 1, 2, 3. What is the new name you want? Test 1, 2, 3, 4? Just something randomly. See? It changed, right? MV. MV will be used to move. If the destination does not exist, it will rename the file. Got it? Alright. So now, yeah, let's come back to our class. If any doubts, I mean any doubts before I go to another comment. Nothing else, then I'll go for a small comments. I mean, it won't take much time, so we'll close it soon. There is comment called sort. I mean, yeah, I know it won't be much use. Who the hell joined now? Okay. It won't be much useful, but it'll just try to know it. Sorting, sort by name, sort by alphabetical wise, sort by numbers. It's it's what you're thinking. I mean, what do you mean sort? Ascending order, descending order, you'll see, right? I mean, based on the value, based on the alphabetical ABC, like that. Similar way here, this also. Test o, sorry, test TD, right? So it'll say, observe here, A B C D E F G H I J K L. I mean, alphabetical wise, it'll just print you all that. I mean, I know it's not useful much, but the command exists. Sort hyphen R, print in reverse mode from Y to Z. Sorry, Z to A. I mean, reverse, alphabetical reverse order. Sort by number, let hyphen N. See, sort by number, it's showing like this, like that. It'll just print the files in a way you want, based on ascending order, descending order, by numbers, by what is it, names, like that, alphabet. Sorry, you want to sort the unique lines. Of course, you can see hello is multiple times, right? Hello, where is it? Hello, 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 something like that. I want to print the unique lines. These are duplicate lines, obviously. Duplicate line means the lines which are same content. I don't want to see that. Let's try. Observe, hello is gone now. It's not deleted at all. The way it showed to you is changed. That's it. But if you open the file, the hello exists. Hello, hello exists. Scroll down. All are exist. But sort just showed you the content. It will just show you the content like that. That's it. Really. That's the only thing it will do. So that's there's nothing more than that actually. Now let's try one more command. That's the sort. I mean, there's really nothing. So just simple. Now I got a scenario. Now I got a task like. So in my this file, let me just change the file first. So in my test file, I got a task that replace hello with something else, something maybe. Not to it. Generally, I mean, so now we know editor, VA editor. You know what we do? Simply backspace. What is the word you want to replace? World. We'll do like this, right? But how much time it will take to do this manually? It's not an it's not easy task, I would say. Hello, sorry, to replace a word, a string. For that we have a command in Linux called SED, stream editor. It will read the file and replace the word in the file. Got it? How to replace the word with this command? Let's see. Said quotes. What you want to replace? Yes, you have to pause. Yes means string slash the current string, current word. What is current word? Hello, right? I want to change hello to world slash g. G means global, means within the file wherever it's present, just change it. Test file. So it will replace hello to world. I mean, wherever hello is present, it will replace to world. In the overall file, no matter how many lines are there, it will just replace it. Enter. See, now world came. There is no hello, observe here. Is there any hello? No, see, this is capital letter, that's why it is present. We'll see that, don't worry. But small hello is not the small letter hello. But open the file, see, but hello is present. Why? I told, I asked her like, hey, with Sid, replace the word, but it's not really replaced. What it did so far is, it just, it did not replace the original file. When you execute this command, it read the file, wherever hello is present, it will change to word and it will just show to you. That's it's not really changed the file, not really. It just shows you, the output after changing. That's it. But it won't replace the original file. If you really want to replace the file, replace the strings hyphen I, you just pass it hyphen I means in place edit. We are telling that edit the file, test file, and replace the hello with world. Enter. Sorry, what's happened? My bad, I gave something wrong. Just a minute. Okay, said hyphen I, yes, slash hello slash world g test file, undefined label est file. What is it? The hell is it? Let me just okay, yeah, got it. So just a minute, let me, okay, the command is correct, but the thing is, where is the T? Usually this error comes, why it comes is, you have to define a label actually. Let me write the command again. Set minus I uploads, yes means string, obviously hello, I want to change world slash g test file. It's, see, observe it, it's not taking the T, correct? It just est file it's showing, undefined label, because obviously the file is not there. Let's try one more file without a T, maybe 123 maybe. Okay, nothing is there. Hello, blah blah blah, something blah blah, hello, blah blah blah, hello. Let's, sorry, let's try this. Let's try if it works or not. Command expected, it's not taking the numbers, for the hell's sake. Wait. Okay. It's not taking. Okay, 1 minute. Try double quotes. It's not taking at all. What the hell? Show it. What's happening? You know what? Why? What's happening here? I'm on a Mac OS. The command will be little different. If you're in Linux, just this is the exact command. Just don't bother about what the error. This command will work. But I'm on a Mac OS. So in Mac OS, sed won't work. Or I have to use a little more command. But try it. If you're Linux, you try it. Same command. There is something called I need to install GNU SCD. Let me install that. Sorry. what I'm using in Mac. GNSD. This command is a little different. Let's try it. Hmm, just take a minute. Okay, it's installed. In Mac, GSCD. Same command I'll try. Same command, right? Instead of SCD, I'll try. Let's see. Now let's open that file. See, hello gone, old came. Same command. But in Mac, SCD won't work. Sed command won't work. So I have to use GSCD to make it different. So that's, but forget about errors. These errors won't come in Linux. Don't worry about all those things. So if you pass -i, it will edit the file. I means in place edit. If you, let's say, didn't pass the I at all, -i, I mean the argument, it won't edit. It will replace the string and prints that to you, how it looks like that. So if you want to really replace -i, now if you want to, like, so for what happened with this set, wherever the hello is present, it replaced it obviously. But my requirement now is I have hello in 10 places obviously, but I want to change the string from hello to old, maybe only in one particular line. How to do it? Let's try that. Let's edit the file to include the hello. So line numbers 10, 11, 12. I want to change hello to old only line 11. Sorry. How to do it? Simple. Simply here, remove the first remove the G. G means global. G means global means it will change everywhere in the file. So first remove that and remove. Just sorry, no need to remove. Just include the line number before. Yes, maybe 11. Now what happens is replace the hello word. I mean the word with word only in line 11. I remove the G. Let's open, or with cat also it's fine. See, 10, 11, 12. We have seen, right? Or open like this. Sorry. Only 11th line change. See, hello, it's still present. Specific line numbers also you can do like this. Got it? That's about said. But of course, we'll use it. I mean, it's not like we don't use it at all. We will definitely use this command. But not on a. If you ask me, like, we don't do like this to replace. I mean, of course, this is the only way to replace the words, using set. But we'll be careful before doing that, because if you just pass -i, set -i, it's completely replacing it. We'll make sure whether we are doing correct or not before doing that. Got it? Don't simply blindly just do it. Always, as I told you, I think day before yesterday, always take confirmation before doing anything. It will be safe for you. Otherwise, everyone will blame you. That's not Linux, that's just general knowledge. I'm just trying to read. But yeah, that's fine. So that's about said. Anything? Any doubts? Anything? So I think we have discussed was first our VA editor first, grep, find, set, four major things that we use regularly in Linux. Four major things. So make sure you know all these four. Of course, as I mentioned, I'm recording it, but I cannot share it. I don't know how to. Maybe create a new channel. I'll upload it. But until then, as I shared the old channel in the group, right? So videos are there. Try to look into that. Got it? Any doubts in today's class? So you can ping in the group always if you have a doubt, or ping me personally. I'll reply maybe late sometimes, but faster also. But just I'll reply mostly. So I have a Linux document somewhere. I'll look into it and I'll share it also. That also, it's you can just look into it and practice it. All these will be present in that also. Not mine. Someone else prepared that. But yeah, it is very good. Use it. You can try to use it. So yeah, that's about today's class. Any doubts before closing? You can always doubts again. I'm telling you can always ask doubts uh, in group or in person, but also fine. Okay. All right then. If no doubts, I'll close the call. Thank you all. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow class will be there Saturday. We'll meet tomorrow then, same time. Bye all.